Hey guys, Inabu here, back with another video, and today we're going to take a first look and unbox the Skyzone 04X FPV goggles. Now these are Skyzone's newest goggles into the FPV market, and these are a clone or collaboration with the same design that was used with the Eachine E300Os. So no one has officially said that Skyzone and Eachine work together on those goggles. So we're going to assume, because they look almost exactly the same, except for some of the specs in the goggles themselves. So let's go ahead and unbox these and take a look and see exactly what we get in the box with the 04X. Now, I can say my daily drivers right now are the Skyzone 03, the 030s. Those are my daily driver OLEDs. That was Skyzone's last premium goggle, and this is their newest edition. So right off, we've got some documentation here, their customer service card, our manual, written in multiple languages. Alright. Here, we've got your accessory box and a Type-C cable, probably used for giving firmware updates to the goggles. I do know that you can also give power to the goggles via USB Type-C. I don't know if that's an option for a lot of people. Most will just use an XTC connector. You've got your rubber ducky antennas. We've got your trainer cable, I'm assuming. No, this is your audio cable. A AV in cable and out, depending on the setting you're using. And an XT60 to barrel connector power cable. Next, we've got what appears to be, and yes, this is our goggle. You get a very nice case from Skyzone right now. Inside here, you've got two offerings for your face material. The pleather with the Velcro on the back, and the foam that uses 3M double-sided tape. Now, if you're using the pleather, there's also an insert that is pre-cut for the goggles for the other side of the Velcro. And here we have the goggles themselves. So they do come thermal sealed in plastic. And carefully, these are so nice. So these are the black edition. And inside the plastic with the goggle is the additional faceplate that they offer. So depending on the curvature of your face, you have the standard, which is a little bit wider, and then an additional one, which is a little bit more narrow for different face types. Now these goggles do come with a module bay, which offers a removable module, and this is Skyzone's rapid fire competitive module. There is also an additional bay on the other side here. We do have a power button that illuminates when the goggles are plugged in. On the bottom, we have HDMI in, USB Type-C, an SD card slot. We have an AV in and out port that can be selected in the menus, an audio out port. We have a head tracker in port, and your DC in to be used with the barrel connector XT60 cable, or any other battery goggle you'd like to use. Now, there is a cooling fan built in, just like on the 030s and the 02 series. These, however, have changed over to a rotary selecting switch, as well as two selection buttons to go into the different menus. Now, one of the other factors on these is these take after the HD02s from Fat Shark by having your diopters built in, as well as your IP adjustments. So, these are Skyzone's newest entry into the market. I'm very excited to see how these work. And I will be coming back to you with some more information on them as soon as I get a chance, because these just got delivered. So, this is my first look at the Skyzone 04Xs. Leave questions and comments below. I will be giving some more information on these goggles as soon as possible. And as always, thank you guys for watching. You have a good night.